This is a fat burner detox tea that we are going to make. It burns belly fat very, very fast. So the ingredients we need cloves. This is about a tablespoon full. I have here already my pot filled with some hot water. I'm going to pour it in. This is black pepper. I'm going to pour that also in. This is rosemary, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to pour this in. And I have here my grapefruit. What I'm going to do now is I'll peel it. I'm gonna peel it. So now we are going to cut the grapefruit into smaller pieces. My knife is very blunt. I don't know why. Then we'll put all this thing into the pot again. And then we bring it to the boil. So I'm going to put it on the fire again. Yes, our detox tea is ready. Our belly fat tea is ready. So we'll strain it. And so I have to re-strain it because some of the rosemaries have entered it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'll squeeze my lemon into it. I need lemon juice. And I'm squeezing it into it. This is the other half. And voila, my detox drink is ready. You can add a little honey if you like, and before bedtime you take just half glass, and so the rest you can take it in the morning. So what I'll do now is I'll add a little honey for those who like sweet things. This is organic honey. Yeah, just about a teaspoon. And then stir and we drink. So I'll stir well. It's so nice. Before you go to bed, you make sure you drink half a glass. In the morning, you drink half a glass before 30 minutes before you eat your food, and you see that your belly fat will be gone. If you use it consistently for a week, this is what my grandmother transferred to me and this is what I've been using, and it has really helped me. My waist is the same for so many years, so you can also try it. Although I'm not a doctor, so I'm disclaiming all those things, that if you want to do it, please go and seek advice from your doctor before taking it. So lovely, until then, we will see you in another video, but we want to thank you for watching, and thank you for always returning to watch our videos. Stay healthy, and please burn all your fats with this, and bye.